here we are, arriving to Davis Island. So a little airport, but that's where we launch the boat. 100% of the time we come to Birken Island. I know there's other ramps, but this is the...
We love this one.
We love this one over here.
The area.
Look at this. Look at that. Pues ya llegando. Ahí como le vieron el aeropuertito ahí. Y pues, y de aquí pues, estamos... Miren. Estamos llegando. Ese bote como que parece que se le bajó la marea. Pero ya llegamos. So, vamos a tirarle el bote.
Y ahí arrancamos para Birken Island, a.k.a. Pine Key Tampa Bay, a pasar una noche y un día tranquilo, relax y chill. Aventureros, if you haven't already, go ahead and follow us in all the social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and of course here in YouTube. Hit subscribe, follow us, and enjoy.
Here's home. This is the hotel for tonight right there. 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel right there. We're just gonna chill here for the night, spend the day, go back home tomorrow.
Aquí está el tiempo perfecto. Estamos en la isla de Tampa, Birken Island. Nos vamos a quedar aquí durmiendo en el bote y pasar aquí el día mañana. Pero no, el porcentaje de mañana de lluvia es 20% y el resto de la noche es 10-15%.
Here in our little paradise that we go camping at in Birken Island. The boats are on the other side. We just came to look at the sunset. So what is coming to Birken Island and not seeing the sunset? Look how beautiful. Look at my flower. Look at my flower. Baby! Nice. Look at that. Beautiful sunset. Alright, so we're here. We're set up Birken Island. And I'm about to have something to eat. Just a little, not that. Look at this. In the middle of an island. So here we are. Pine Key, Tampa Bay. Super relaxed. Check this thing out. What can I tell you? Super relaxed.
And as you guys know, this is the time of the day for me. Sunrise. Lupe's sunset. I'm all about the sunrises. It's my time to relax, meditate, thank God for another day, and start over. And also to start bugging everybody to wake up. El día estuvo bien relax, bien chilling, estuvo perfecto. Había bastante gente, pero no estaba tan lleno, no estaba loco. Estábamos bien relax, se pasó bien tranquilo. So the day, it was a great day. It wasn't too packed, it wasn't crazy, it was just right. It was enough people to have a great time. Great people always, we always meet great people out there in the island. Gracias a ella y a Jenny por venir y compartir con nosotros en la islita, se pasó brutal. Gracias.
Bueno, nosotros aquí ya saliendo de la islita esta que venimos a Tampa. Esta es la isla. Me regalaron este sombrerito. Gracias a Dios es sábado, es temprano, no lluvia. Por allá como que se ve una lluvia. Pero bueno, Dios mediante, lleguemos bien. Las amo. Enjoy.
And after spending a great night and an awesome day out in Pine Key, Tampa Bay, with that we finished our day and started heading back to the ramp to Davis Island and enjoyed the smooth waters. It was very calm heading back to the ramp. And just like that, we had to stop recording and taking pictures because the weather turned and it was getting very nasty. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next adventure.